going straight.
And we're now continue following the road ahead, yes. At the roundabout, so this is a big roundabout, we are following the road ahead. We're going to keep in the lane on the left and go ahead. So look at the floor marking, we don't need to signal, just stay in the lane on the left, my side. That's it. Then when the lights go green, we'll continue in this lane and go past BP petrol station. So we'll keep to the left and take a very wide right turn. We're then going to follow the signs for the airport. Nice. That's nice, well done. That's nice. That's good. And we're now following the signs for the airport.
So turning left.
Yes.
Yeah, just go in front.
Personally, I would have let the van come out.
Okay.
We're not going anywhere, the light's red, it's no big deal.
Yeah.
He comes out, it's safe.
For this car, when it's uphill,
You're overthinking.
the auto hold, like,
Okay, let me speak. You're overthinking. Go with the flow. Just see what happens. Other there's too many possibilities going through your head. I'm not going to answer your question. I'm going to let you work this out for yourself. So just take a big deep breath and just go with the flow. Just see what happens. Beautiful. Over here.
I'm turning left.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is your first left. Okay, and now come into the lane on the left. Follow the road ahead. Into gear 3. There's too much thinking about the car rolling backwards. Okay? The car won't roll, but I didn't want to explain that because it shouldn't be an issue. Your clutch control is good enough anyway. If that wasn't on, you would have still managed it. Your driving is good enough. Believe in your driving. But this was your first exit, okay? Carry on until you're almost at the end. That's fine. Now signal right, remain in your lane, and use the whole of this road. At the very end, when it's safe, merge, but don't force your car in. So we're using both lanes and we're merging in turn. So when the cones narrow, stop there. Now when it's safe, don't push your car in. When it's safe, then go in. There we are. And because we've done it, another 10 people have done it. And it's the safest thing to do. Now cancel your signal. At the roundabout, you're going ahead.